If you want to add a second website to Bluehost, this is the quickest way to do it, even if you're just starting out. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can create a new WordPress site inside your Bluehost account and connect your domain the right way. This is perfect if you want to launch a second blog, a business site, a portfolio, or a separate project without getting stuck in the setup process. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where Bluehost keeps all of your site management tools in one place, so if you're adding a new site, this is where you want to start. After that, click Add Website. Bluehost will now ask what type of website you want to create, and in this case, select WordPress. WordPress is the most common option because it gives you full control over design, pages, posts, plugins, and customization. Once you choose WordPress, Bluehost will begin creating the new site in the background. At this point, it's a good idea to go back to the websites page and give it a moment to finish properly. Don't rush ahead too fast, because the site needs a little time to generate before you continue. After the setup finishes, enter a name for your new website. This is just a basic label to help you identify the site inside Bluehost, so choose something clear and easy to remember. Next, you'll need to connect your domain. Click Connect Domain, then type in the domain name you want to use for your second website. Make sure you enter the correct domain so the right website is attached to the right address. After that, finish the setup and confirm the process. Bluehost will complete the connection and take you to the next part of the setup. Once everything is done, click Edit and the website will open inside WordPress. This is where the real customization starts. From here, you can choose a theme, create pages, add posts, install plugins, and design the site however you want. If this is a business site, you can start setting up your homepage and services pages. If it's a blog, you can begin publishing content and organizing categories. If it's an online brand or portfolio, you can start building out your layout and visuals. The important thing is that your second website is now created inside Bluehost and connected properly, so you can manage it separately from your first one. That means you don't have to build everything from scratch outside your hosting account, and you can keep all of your sites organized in one place. If you ever need to manage both websites later, just go back to your Bluehost dashboard and use the websites section again. And that's it, you've now added a second website to Bluehost and opened it in WordPress so you can start customizing it right away. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy web hosting and website setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.